Welcome to our vegan salami recipe tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and savory vegan salami that's perfect for sandwiches, charcuterie boards, or snacks. Let's get started. Wait, before starting the video, I introduce you Charcuterie lean belly juice, which help you to burn belly fat in 7 days. Now let's start. Step 1. Prepare the dry ingredients. Begin by placing 1 cup of vital wheat gluten in a mixing bowl. This will be the base of our vegan salami. Step 2. Spice it up. To the vital wheat gluten, add 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika for that smoky flavor, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds for a hint of anise-like taste, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Step 3. Combine wet ingredients. In a separate container, mix together 3/4 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce for that umami kick. Step 4. Mix it all. Pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients and mix until it forms a firm dough. Step 5. Knead the dough. Knead the dough for about 5 minutes until it becomes elastic and well combined. Step 6. Shape the salami. Roll the dough into a log shape, just like you would with traditional salami. Step 7. Wrap in foil. Wrap your salami log tightly in aluminum foil to help it hold its shape. Step 8. Steam. Place the wrapped salami in a steamer and steam it for 40 minutes. This will give it that perfect texture. Step 9. Unwrap and cool. Once steamed, unwrap the salami and allow it to cool completely. Step 10. Slice and enjoy. Once cooled, slice your vegan salami thinly. It's ready to enjoy. In this video, we've shared valuable insights and practical tips to kickstart your journey towards a healthier you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your life. Click the link now and take the first step towards a happier, healthier, and more confident you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss a scrumptious recipe like this one.